Hi, Natasha Denona here, makeup artist, founder, and creative director of Natasha Denona Makeup. I am so very proud to introduce you my amazing HY-GLAM Brightening, Hydrating, Crease-Proof Serum Concealer, which delivers a new full performance formula with the most advanced high-tech skincare ingredients. The HY-GLAM concealer comes in an ultra-inclusive range of 52 concealers that consist of 4 distinct undertones: neutral cool, yellow, peach, and rosy, which come in all overtones that range from the fair to deep, including the 6 corrector shades. This hybrid full glam concealer is clinically proven to instantly and over time brightens dark circles, reduces puffiness, and blurs the appearance of fine lines after 28 days of daily use. The HY-GLAM concealer is a long-lasting, up to 19-hour creaseless concealer with a natural, medium buildable coverage, giving a luminous matte natural finish. With biomimetic pigments and texture-perfecting microspheres, it gives the skin a flawless finish with a weightless and supremely flexible feel. I specifically developed this formula to be suitable for all skin types. The HY-GLAM concealer is a multi-use formula that is perfect for brightening and concealing dark circles, neutralizing hyperpigmentation, easy to highlight and contour with, and is great for spot concealing imperfections. The formula has a modern, ultra-fluid consistency with a high concentration of pigment, which allows you to be able to blend and sheer out the product without it breaking, flaking, or appearing patchy. Very little goes a very long way. You can effortlessly achieve your desired coverage with just one stroke. Easily find your perfect match by taking our quiz or using the foundation tool on our website, or watch my shade finding video guide. I can't wait for you to use your perfect HY-GLAM concealer and finally solve all your concealer concerns.